Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store and Store apps not working. First method is, click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features, type Store. Click Advanced Options. Click Terminate, Repair and Reset. Third method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to install. Click Accept, click Next. Click Next. Select ISO, click Next. Click Finish. Click Mount. Open Setup. Click Next. Select Windows 11 and also keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.